Hi, I'm just shooting this quick video to show you how to put together a very simple header image banner. And this is all part of branding yourself on the internet. It's all part of the process of creating some repetitive recognition with the people on your list, your customers, your prospects, your leads. Okay, you'll see here an example of a header image on the top of one of my websites. And that image is then carried through into my emails, again creating that link with my list so that they understand why they're receiving the email that they're getting. They can make that link back to where they first saw it. But also you see images on Facebook fan pages, the cover photos. So it's great to be able to put these together so that you can create various pictures for the different platforms that you might be using. Now you can go out there and obviously pay somebody to do it for you. There are sites such as Fiverr.com, that's Fiverr.com. But what I'm going to show you is how to put a very simple one together using Microsoft Paint. Now obviously there are many other packages out there, but this is just simply the process that I use. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into File, Open, and I'm going to open a picture of myself, because remember I said this is all about branding yourself. So what I want to do is obviously make sure people understand I am a real human being with a nice bubbly friendly face there. Okay, and I'm going to click, drag and drop the bottom right hand corner of the image just to create the space in which I'm going to create the rest of the banner. Okay, now if you go into the website where you may be looking to place this banner, and this is a WordPress site, on the left hand menu under Appearance and Header, it will bring up a page showing you what size header image it will display. Now if you provide it with a smaller image, you'll simply get a lot of white space around it. If you provide it with a larger image, then it will actually ask you to crop it down, giving you a selection box so that you can see exactly what area it is that you're choosing to use. Okay, so going back into Paint, now I know that the image is 940 by 198. I can use the Paint Resize tool, switch over to Pixels, untick the Maintain Aspect Ratio so that I have the freedom to type in both the horizontal and vertical dimensions required. If I click OK, you can then immediately see that my working area has been resized accordingly. Now obviously I've given it some thought as to what else I want on the banner. Now if I do a file open at this stage, it will overwrite the file that I'm already working inside. So what I want to do is, using Word, I've opened up the other image that I want to use, but also I've used Word to put a shadowed frame around it. So I'm just simply going to copy that, come back into Paint and do a paste. Okay, and then I'm just going to drag that image across to the other side of my working area. Now I want to connect the two with a little bit of text. So again, I've given it some thought and I've already typed it up within Word. So I'm just simply going to select the text, copy it, come back into Paint, select the text tool, which is just to the left of the brushes icon. Okay, and I'm just going to click, drag and release the text box and paste my text into it. And now that the text is there, I can just simply move the box around to place it in my chosen location. I'm just going to insert a bit of spacing just to centralize the text a little bit better. I think I might just resize that text slightly just to make it fit a bit better. Okay, and then once I've got that, again I can just move it around and play around with it. Okay, and once I've got it, I can do a File, Save As, and save the file onto my computer. And once I have it saved onto my computer, I can then go over to my website. I can click Browse to find the file that I want uploaded onto my header. click upload, and once it's on the website it will display in the box, and there we go, one new header image. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye for now.
Yeah.